Hey, what's going on YouTube? Another day, another video. Let me answer some of the most asked questions, like how do you tell if you have blown head gasket on any car? Easiest way, you're gonna need one of these bad boys, combustion leak tester. You can buy anywhere. This is actually a Blue Point. There's the part number there. It comes with the liquid. This is the liquid. When this one detects like exhaust fumes on the system, on the coolant system, this blue liquid turns yellow. Now the pump, you got this one here, you follow the instructions, fill this one through here, then here, pump up here and pump it. Now the way you're gonna get it done, you're gonna let warm up the car, truck, whatever you're gonna test for a while. After it warms up, you're gonna go ahead and turn it off. You're gonna go remove the radiator cap or the water reservoir if you have the plastic one. So be careful when it's hot. Just go slowly. See, it's hot. Just leave it there. That's what we need. Now let me go ahead and prepare this thing. Let me put the liquid in here. Alright, so we have the tester here, the line, fill line, and then the top one. That's all it takes with the pump in here. So we have to place them in there, push it down, and squeeze it. See, this one pull a little bit of coolant from the bottom, so that's why this one is better, because it has a double chamber. That was my mistake, because there's too much water in there, sucking the water up. So let me go ahead and do it again. I'm gonna remove a little bit of water. You see how it's there? I'm gonna bring a vacuum, a pump that I have, and I'm gonna pump out a little bit of coolant from there, because that was my mistake. Don't do that. Alright, okay, so the point is removing a little bit of coolant from the radiator. So this is a pump that I purchased at Walmart for like what, $10 and two there. So we're gonna pump a little bit off, and so we can make the level lower, the filler neck. Okay, so the water level is below the water, the filler neck. Let's put this one here on the same process. Pump. And if the exhausts are going already with the coolant, that means you have a bad gasket. If it turns yellow. Just give it like 10 pumps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leave it there. See, still blue. That means your head gasket is good. Now let me show you the if it's bad. See, so you can see how this blue liquid turns yellow. Let me put the cap there. Let's go turn on the truck. Turn on the truck. Let's go behind on the exhaust, and then so you guys can see how this one will turn yellow. If those exhausts were inside the engine or the combustion chamber or the coolant, see how this blue one is gonna turn yellow. Pump it, try to suck that in. Boom. You guys see how it changed color into yellow? Because of the fumes, the exhausts are going, you know. Looks like pee-pee water now. So that's how you can tell if your head gasket was blown. Once you put this one in here, pump it, and this blue liquid turns into yellow, that means your head gasket is blown. Why? Because of the exhaust fumes are going inside the system and in the water and stuff. So that's why. So I did it on the exhaust so it can turn yellow, so you guys can see the difference from blue to yellow. But that's the main point. The beginning was a little bit of a fail, but now you guys get the idea. You guys get the point. So this is all you need. You don't have to buy this brand. You can buy it by any other brand from Amazon. It has to be a combustion leak tester. That's all you need. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.